In this video today, I'm going to show you how I dealt with a problem that I had with a missing DLL file. Now, before I begin, I'll tell you that you should use your own discretion when working with, if you have a problem with any missing DLL files. So, the first problem I had was I bought my kids a couple of PlayStation Portables for Christmas, and I bought this PlayStation Portable Action Replay Max deal. It's some kind of cheat software or something that goes with it. So I installed the Action Replay Max software, and when I had it installed, it gives you an option to check for updates, and so I checked for updates, and there was an update available. So when I downloaded the update, I tried to install it, and it wouldn't let me install it. It had a message that popped up that said there was a certain DLL file missing, and that it couldn't update it to a current version. So the first thing I did was I done some research, and I googled the missing DLL file that I needed. And now I'm going to open up my web browser and show you the website that I used to find this file. It's called DLL files.com. And the specific file I was missing, let's see, I know it was under F. Here we go. mfc71.dll. That was the file that I was missing. And one thing that's helpful, you know, when I'm having problems and looking for things like this, is I do read these comments, you know, at least what they say, and it may give you some sort of idea about if this works or not. So I decided that I would try this, and I tell you what, I didn't do any of this scan and repair, all this kind of stuff here, reg clean and all this. I didn't do any of those scans or any of that stuff. I just come right here to click here to download this this file. I wouldn't suggest doing any of this other stuff here. I mean, you know, if you know specifically what file you're missing, then I wouldn't worry about any of this stuff. So once I clicked on here to download it, I'm going to close out my web browser, and one more time, that was dll-files.com. and there are a lot of different websites that you can get DLL files from, but again, use your own discretion on that. This particular website worked for me. So anyway, close out of here, and I'm going to go to where I actually downloaded it to. Program files, data. Okay, right here. Now here's another thing. I downloaded this file because this particular program needed this file, the PSP Action Replay Max. I downloaded this file to this folder. So I don't know, I wouldn't, if that's the case, I would definitely do it like this. Download it to this file folder, that way, number one, because you can find it easier, and I don't know if this would work putting it anywhere else. So anyway, when you download it, it's going to look like this. It's going to come in a compressed folder, so you're going to need some sort of compression software that will allow you to unzip this. So I use 7-zip. It's free. I think you can go to 7zip.com or just Google 7zip, and you should be able to find it. Anyway, it's free. And then once I just right clicked here and extract here. You click that, and this is what's come up right here, your MFC.71 DLL file. This is your DLL file here. So once I had it in this folder, I closed it out, and then I went back to my PSP Action Replay Max, done the options, checked for updates, and I was able to finish installing the current update, the current version for this software. And now, obviously it says no new updates available. So everything worked out good on that. And again, I really advise you to do your own research and to use caution when you are trying to find missing DLL files, because sometimes this kind of stuff can mess up your computer if you're not careful. So this is just what I did that helped me on this problem. So maybe if you're having the same problem or a similar problem, maybe this can work for you. So hope this works out for you. I hope you learned a little something. So please leave a comment and check out my other videos.